838, I fucking hate this. So in the system index, we have a new section called Systems Functions Only. So a function-only system has been added called PNG Save for saving PNG files. In const macros by system, there is no constant data for this system at this time. In the canonic top-level constants, we have added a enumeration procedure for the saving of the color channels. God fucking damn. Let's scroll the fuck down here, right? So BUGCHAN is for taking a master memory cell and saving it out as a 102048 by 102040 image where we split the different color channels so we can inspect them. And the enumeration procedure is 32. Okay, data by system. There's no data for PNG save here. BUGCHAN. So this is the BUGCHAN top-level data, and we have these two lookup tables. So the channel index converted to the top left origin of the 1024 by 102048 image that we're saving to disk, right? The XY origin, and you can see that we're just kind of multiplying by 512 here to get the proper top left origin for which channel cell we're on, red, green, blue, or alpha. Okay, canonic data section. So down here, we have this lookup table for pressing A through Z after doing the Konami code, and we've added BUGCHAN to the V key. So 21 is associated with the V key in this array. And then in PNG save, we have some monkey wrench macros, and are we out of time now? PNG save, we got some monkey wrench macros. We're just stubbing in the save file function here. We haven't done any logic yet. And then in BUGCHAN, this function right here, I don't know what we did. What did we do? Oh, okay, so we're calling the save file function right here with the 102048 by 102048 memory you want to save. And then in here, we made a bug in this function, right? So there needs to be an I in front of this, and now there is. And then in canonic EVT key, we have this terminal key function section. After we do the Konami code plus A through Z or 0 through 9, we're going to enter this branch right here. And if the enumeration procedure is the V key associated with BUGCHAN here, then we're going to save off KD7 cell 0 using the BUGCHAN channel cutter function that we've been working on, and that's it. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm out of fucking time.